Part 2 of our baby-proofing series. It covers a few techniques to make your living areas safer for small children. Falls and collisions are a big danger for small children in living rooms. We suggest purchasing cushioned corner guards and edging for coffee and side tables. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. These guards give a pillowing effect to sharp-cornered tables and even fireplace hearths. Large pieces of furniture can often be unsteady. Securing bookcases to a stud in your wall will prevent toppling. If your TV sits inside an entertainment center or on top of a table or console, be sure to secure it as well. Also, keep in mind what is on your lower shelves. Assume that if your child can reach for it, they will. Be cautious of mini blind cords. These cords can easily become strangling hazards. Secure them above the window or replace the blinds with a cordless option. Place outlet covers on all unused outlet receptacles. Children will try to stick anything from their finger to toys inside these and could be electrocuted. Child-proofing door handles can also help keep your child away from dangerous areas or items. Finally, if you want to keep children away from stairwells or out of specific areas, invest in safety gates. Keep in mind, a lot of these hazards become hazards as children start crawling and walking. Don't wait until they are on the move before you child-proof your home.